Welcome. Make yourselves comfortable. Today, our meditation, since Valentine's Day is coming up right around the corner, we are going to focus on the most important kind of love, which is self-love. So thank you for arriving here today, making this time for yourself, to nurture yourself. Let's take a moment to settle into this space. You are here now, safe, supported, and comfortable. Whether you are seated or lying down, know that you are held. Gently close your eyes. Let your awareness travel to your body, up and down the length of your spine, your arms and legs. Note if there is any tension that you are holding in your body. Notice your shoulders, your face, your jaw. Release any tension back to the earth. Now settle your awareness on how you are feeling in this moment. If there are any worries or thoughts, allow them all to be. You are okay. Breathe into your body. Deep breath in. Feel your belly rising. And deep breath out with a long sigh. Breathe in through the nose. And blow it out from the mouth. Feeling yourself relax more with every breath. Deep breath in. Filling your lungs, expanding your belly. And deep breath out, letting everything go. Letting relaxation settle completely through you. If it feels comfortable, rest one hand gently on your heart. Allow yourself to take this time for yourself. While you are here, if at any time thoughts arise, do not judge yourself. Simply bring your awareness back to the sound of my voice. If we do not allow the natural love for ourselves to be expressed, then love does not reveal its beauty very often throughout each day of our lives. We can take the very first action in self-love right now. Your ability to breathe at will in all different kinds of ways is an act of self-love. Our breath has been there literally our entire lives, changing as needed to the demand of exciting circumstances and flowing effortlessly when we are resting. Taking multiple full and deep breaths every day is proven to change our bodies and minds for the better. So let's take some more full deep breaths together, sustaining the air for a moment at the top of the breath, then naturally exhaling. Inhale a nice big breath, feeling the expanse inside you, the fullness. Hold it at the top and gently exhale with relief. Inhaling fresh oxygen that will be supplied to your bloodstream, holding it to soak it in, and exhaling without any effort. Inhale, feeling rejuvenated and invigorated by this breathing. Sustain and exhale easily. Inhale, noticing how breathing fully comes so naturally for you. Pausing to soak it in. And exhale any worry or tension. One more together now. Inhaling fully as an act of self-love. Pausing for a moment to really feel this love. And exhale into complete relaxation. Let your breath flow at a pace that is natural to you without any effort from now on. By doing this, you are proving that you are capable of self-love. Deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your brain, stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, sometimes referred to as the rest and digest system. By breathing deeply and often, by just simply bringing attention to your breath, you are commanding your body to rest, which relaxes and rejuvenates you. This is self-love in its simplest form, something that anyone can do at any time of the day. I will now read out some affirmations for self-love. Feel free to repeat them to yourself in your head, or simply listen, soaking in the words, feeling them as truth within your body and your mind. I love myself. The love I feel for myself is unconditional. It is through loving myself that I love others. I accept myself for who I am. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. I receive with grace and gratitude. I give with generosity. I take care of myself and nourish my body, mind, and spirit. I like doing things for myself. Every day, I make decisions that are in my best interest. I am at peace. I accept myself for my past, present, and future. I honor myself. I have always been valuable and special. I trust my inner worthiness. I am grateful for my amazing body. My body supports me throughout my life. My body allows me to experience the world. I am a good person. I radiate love. Everything I need is within me. When I feel I need rest, I allow myself to rest. I can feel the light of love filling up my heart. There is nothing I need outside of me to feel complete. I am enough. I have always been enough. I do my best for my body every day. My body is grateful for the love I give it. I forgive myself truly and honestly. I speak only loving words to myself. I am kind to myself. I bless and release my past. It is safe for me to look within. It is possible for me to heal all my past hurts by offering them love. I let go of everything that holds me back from living my life to the fullest. Now take a moment to sit in silence, basking in the feelings of self love, letting these statements of love and kindness and confidence radiate through you, soaking in to every fiber of your being, knowing that they are truth, that you are worthy and loved and valued and enough. Now, placing your hand over your heart once more, let's take one last deep breath all together, breathing in that sense of love, of the miraculousness of being in this body, in this life, feeling so much love to give and receive. And then exhale out. As you are ready, you may open your eyes and bring this sense of self love with you throughout the rest of your day and into the coming week. Thank you all very much for joining me today.